So I've decided to apply for the design track, mainly just because I thought it was very interesting how you can bridge that gap between your medical knowledge, but also use your technological knowledge to be able to create a product or a service that could basically improve the patient's lives. Um, I think that's very something very meaningful for the patient, and that could really have a huge impact on them. So I'm from Nigeria. I grew up there my whole life. As you know, Nigeria is a developing country, but at the same time, recently there's been this big thing about technology in Africa, and there's a lot of startups coming up, and just a lot of young people are getting more into technology. So pretty much everyone has a smartphone now in Nigeria. So I like there's been so many new developments that have made me more interested in possibly being able to develop something along those lines and using my medical knowledge as well as my little technological knowledge that I have to create something for a possible patient population in the future. So you asked one thing that recently, I guess, stood out to me in terms of whether it was good or bad with design. And this teenage girl from a rural part of Nigeria, she recently created an app that is able to detect fake drugs because that's an issue in Nigeria. So basically, what the app does is that it scans the barcode of the medication and it checks whether it's fake or whether it's past its expiration date. And the reason that she did this was because her brother died of fake drugs. So it's a very simple problem to solve, but at the same time, it impacts so many lives and saves so many lives. So thank you, and I hope you take me for this track.